Hello and welcome. This is a tutorial video for CapCut and how to adjust the track height to adjust your audio. So by default, when you're in CapCut, when you bring your video in, the audio waveform is set to a default. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go into CapCut to make the waveform larger so you can make edits, and wait till the end of the video because I have a little bonus for you. It's another little trick that I use when I'm doing some video editing in CapCut. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. We have our video and we have dropped it into the timeline. As you can see, it's on a regular default. So the waveform is very tiny. All right, so what we want to do is we want to go here next to where it says cover. There are three little dots, okay? And then if I put my cursor on it, it says track settings. So let's click on that. So now when we click on that, we can see that we have track height, and you can see that it says short, we have default, and then tall. Okay, so that's one way to look at it. And then at the bottom, we have audio waveform size, which is what we're looking for. So by default, it's at 30%, which is not very good if you're editing audio and you want to get it nice and tight, and you want to get rid of some stuff. You want to be able to see the audio. But let's mess around with the track height first. So let's first make the track height tall. See what that looks like. All right, so that makes it tall, and it does expand the audio a little bit, so it's a little bit bigger. But let's make it even bigger. Let's bring out that audio waveform size. So we can do 60%. Let's do 60%. Now you can see that it's nice and tall, but let's go even further. Let's do 100%. Now if we do 100%, that gets rid of the visual of the video. So you have all just waveform. This doesn't mean that your video is gone. It just means all you can see now is the waveform itself, and you can do some editing with it now. So let's bring it back to 60%. Okay, and that's usually how I like to do it in order to do my adjustments. All right, so here is the bonus. So if you made it this far and you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and hey, maybe leave a comment. So here's your bonus. So if you want to make an expansion of the timeline, you're just going to go up here. You see where this plus and negative sign right here, and then we just going to put our cursor on this little level here, and we're just going to bring it out, and that expands our track. So that makes it wider. So now we can really go into the editing, and you can make even more tighter adjustments for your video and your audio. So there you go. That's your bonus. All right. See you very soon on the next video. If you're looking for more editing on CapCut, go check out this video right here.